So, happy Tuesday. So, I just have my breakfast done. Magkape po tayo. Okay? Ang coffee ko is Gloaming coffee. So, ililink ko din dyan sa basket ko yung kung saan ako bumibili ng Gloaming coffee. So, anyways, this is no filter. Alam niyo naman, diba? So, this is Hamis. Yan ang bago kong soap. This is my 3rd week using it. And, ang napansin ko, no filter to As in, kagigising ko lang, di pa ako nag-wash ng face. So, ang napansin ko is, nababanat yung skin. So, hindi siya yung nagsasag. And then, syempre, nagiging glowing siya. Ayan, natural, glowing siya. Yan. Tapos, dahil yan sa collagen eh. And then, yung hindi siya yung dry. That is because of the vitamin E. So, ito yung mga ingredients niya. Meron siyang glutathione, meron siyang collagen, which is rare sa mga soaps ngayon. Wala pa akong nakita na soap na may collagen. Meron siyang vitamin E, meron siyang vitamin C, and of course, marami siyang secret ingredients na nilagay para pampabata ng skin natin or face. So, pwede natin tong gamitin sa face natin, sa body, sa skin natin. And napansin ko, nag-light. Actually, sa body ko, 2nd week ko na tong ginagamit. And it lightened already. And ang habol ko lang naman kasi talaga is yung maging moisturize yung skin ko, hindi yung dry. So, which is, yan. Minimal na lang na lotion ang gamit natin, guys. So, because of Hamis. So, anyway, nandyan, ilalagay ko yung TikTok shop, TikTok account, official TikTok account ni Hamis, and of course, the maker of Hamis, which is my sister-in-law. So, that's why I know how the ingredients are legit and organic kasi siya yung gumagawa. It's a homemade soap, guys. That's why, hindi po kayo manghihinayang. Sa 159 na SRP niya, 100 grams na siya. And sigurado pa kayo na made with love, of course, is a homemade soap. And of course, don't forget, let's support local business owners. Yung mga maliliit na mga business owners, let's support it. And especially effective naman siya sa atin. Okay? So, good morning and happy Tuesday! Just DM me if you're interested. I have some extra soap for you. Pero sa inyo po yung shipping fee, okay? So, happy Hamis Day!